Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to insert an image into a selection in Photoshop. First of all, open your Photoshop, then click the selection tool, right click on your mouse, click rectangular marquee tool and click and drag it for selections. Okay, then press Ctrl Z. Press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer. Go to File, open your image. Find your image, then select, click and drag it. Cross it. Right click on your mouse, create clipping mask. Now we can see this insert image into a selection. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.